Hello students, good morning. Welcome again to the class of computers. Today we'll learn about the binary number system. Now, as you know that our digital data can be stored in the form of only 0 and 1. In simple words, if we say that computer can understand only the language of 0 or 1, either on or off. So all the data that is stored in the computer is represented in form of 0 or 1 or the binary number system. Okay, so digital data represents all kind of information in binary system. Binary system means a system in which data is represented either in 0 or 1. Okay, so the binary number system has a base 2 and it constitutes only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Bit is the short form of binary digit. So bit is the short form of binary digit. A combination of binary numbers can be used to represent different quantities. The positional value of a digit number in binary number is twice the place value of face value of the digit that is of its right side. The weight of each position is in the power of 2. To understand this, let us take an example. See, suppose this set represents the position and the weight or both or the base position. So the digit at the first position will have the value of 2 to the power 0 or 1. Its face value or its weight base value will be 2 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. The next will be 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Another will be 2 to the power 2, that is 4. And another will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Now we will understand this again with taking help of an example. Okay, see, the last row represents a binary digit, that is 10111. This is a binary digit. Okay, now the base value of the first digit from the right hand side will move towards the left and will calculate the position, the value. Okay, so here the first digit from the right hand side, its base is 2 and base value or the weight will be 2 to the power 0, that is 1. Next will be 2 to the power 1, that is 2. 2 to the power 2, that is 4. 2 to the power 3, that is 3. And 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Now this you will understand well when we will try to convert a binary number into a decimal number. Okay, now I will explain you how a binary number gets converted into a decimal number. See, please pay attention here. We will understand it with help of this example itself. Okay, so this is the number 1011111. Okay, we will start from the very right. Okay, from the very right side. See, the face value of this number is 1 multiplied by the weight. The weight of this position is 2 to the power 0. Okay, so face value multiplied by the weight of the position. So 1 into 2 to the power 0. Next you come. The face value is 1 So 1 multiplied by its weight, that is 2 to the power 1. Here you see 2 to the power 1. Next number is 1. Again its face value is 1, but its weight is 2 to the power 2. So it will be multiplied by 1 into 2 to the power 2. Again its value is 0. Its face value is 0 and its weight is 2 to the power 3. So it is written in the same manner, 0 into 2 to the power 3. Next one is face value 1 and base or weight is 2 to the power 4, that is 2 to the power 4. Okay, so we will arrange like this and put addition signs in between. So the first one becomes 1 into 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3, that is 8, plus 1 into 2 to the power 2, that is 4, plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, that is 2, plus 1 into 1. Now 1 into 16 is 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. That now all when we add it up, it becomes 23. Okay, so what it becomes? So this is a binary number, 1 0 1 1 2 is a binary number, and when we convert it into a decimal number, it becomes 23. So when we convert this number into decimal number, it becomes 23. You will note down here, you see here it is written after bracket 2, it is written after bracket 10. So this 2 represents that this number is a binary number or base 2 number. Okay, and here it is a decimal number or base 10 number. See, you will notice, okay, this is a binary number and this is a decimal number. Now converting decimal number to binary. Now in this example, what we had learned to convert a binary number, the number that is already in binary form, into decimal form. In the next question, we will learn to convert decimal number to binary number. Okay, so in your book there are steps to convert decimal number to binary number. Now how to convert this? To convert decimal number to binary number, we have to follow the following steps. Divide the decimal number by the base of the number, that is 2. So the decimal number will be divided by 2, that is binary number. What's the base of binary number? It is 2. So we will divide this number by 2. So it becomes 43. Suppose we are taking example of 43. Okay, so we will divide this by 2. It will become 21. Whatever remainder we will get, we will write here. Okay, remainder we will keep on writing here. Again whatever, just similarly, again 21 will be divided by 2, we get 10 and remainder is 1. We have written here. Okay, then again 10 is divided by 2, we get 5, remainder 1. Then 5 is again divided by 2, we get, so here, just here one more, this will be there. Just I will show you how. Wait, just we'll take another example. Suppose this is 56. Okay, now we'll divide this by 2. Here we'll keep on writing the remainder part. We'll get 2 and then remainder is 0. Again 2, 14, remainder is 0. Again 2, 7, remainder is 0. Again 2, 3, remainder is 1. Again 2 divided by 2, remainder is 1, and here also this is 1. Answer is 1 and remainder. So now this this we will write down that when 56, that is decimal, is converted in binary, how we will write? We will write from downside, children. From bottom to up approach. Okay, we'll not write from answer from up to down. We'll write from down to up. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 110. Sorry, 111. 3 ones are there, no? 111 and then 0 0 0. This is a binary number. Again pay attention. Again pay attention here. What we have done to convert a 56, that is our decimal number, into binary number, what we continuously we have divided it by 2. Whatever answer we were, answer in the sense, whatever the remainder we were getting, we were writing it towards the right hand side, and as usual, simple, this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Again divide it by 2, then this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Again whatever quotient you will get, you will divide it by 2, and this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Similar process until we get a until further no more division is possible, only 1 comes, and here then we will arrange it from down to up. See, from down to up, 1 1 1 1 1 1 here, then again 0 0 0 0 0 0. So what is 56 in decimal is 111,000 in binary. So we have converted decimal number 56 decimal into binary. Today I will upload homework. I will give you 5 numbers, okay, 5 decimal numbers that you will convert into binary. I will upload that in the dashboard of the school. So children, please practice it, okay, because this is a matter of practice. Once you practice, it will be very easy for you to understand how decimal is converted into binary, okay. So please go through the dashboard. I will upload the homework there and you practice. Okay, so today in this chapter we have learned that how to what is binary number system, and how to convert binary number into decimal, and how to convert decimal number into binary. Okay, so here I end my video. Hope you would have followed it, and please, I will upload the homework in the school's dashboard, so you have to practice it. And again, after doing it, you have to upload that your matter in again the dashboard, so that I can do the correction work. Okay, it is not that we are not keeping a track on whatever you are studying. We are just keeping a track everything. You have to upload your homework time to time, so that is being corrected. Okay, thank you children, thank you very much.